Solar Smackdown. Mr. Shinebright explains solar panels to Mrs. Shinebright.
Mia, my dear, have you heard about the solar smackdown between traditional solar panels and perovskite solar panels?
Solar Smackdown? What on earth are you talking about, Lucas?
Well, buckle up, sweetie, because it's time for a hilarious yet enlightening showdown between these two solar power technologies.
Oh, I can already tell this is going to be quite the show. So, what's the deal with these solar panels?
Let's start with traditional solar panels, the wise old grandpas of solar power. They've been around for ages and are super reliable. They are a bit more expensive than perovskite.
Really? That's interesting, Lucas.
Don't worry, Mia, there's a bright side. Traditional solar panels are efficient and durable, lasting for many years. Plus, they're non-toxic, so no worries about turning green like the Hulk.
Well, that's a relief. But what about those perovskite solar panels? Are they as fascinating as their name suggests?
Oh, you bet, Mia. Perovskite solar panels are like the youngsters on the block, still in the early stages of development. But they have potential, like a teenager dreaming of stardom.
Teenagers, huh? Brace yourself for some drama.
Drama indeed, my dear. Perovskites have the potential to be more efficient and cost-effective. They're made from inexpensive materials, like lead and tin. But here's the catch, they're still figuring out how to make them last longer and keep them stable.
So, it's like having a flashy new sports car that may break down at any moment?
Exactly. But hey, they're working hard to improve them. There are some concerns about perovskite's toxicity, though. So, we need to handle them with care, like we handle your favorite china teacups.
Oh, those delicate teacups. I knew they would come into play somehow.
Always finding a way to make you smile, my love. Lastly, perovskite solar panels have a less energy-intensive manufacturing process, which is great for our planet.
Ah, it's nice to know we're saving some energy while exploring these solar options.
Absolutely, Mia. Both solar panels have their quirks and charms. It's like choosing between a wise old grandpa and a young up-and-comer. But with careful consideration, we can make the right decision for our home and the environment.
I'm glad you shed some light on the solar smackdown, Lucas. Now, let's harness the power of the sun and make our home shine brighter than ever.